Hey guys, what's up? So today we are, I don't know why I was so hyper then. Okay, so guys, today we are playing Call of Duty Mobile yet again because new maps and a new mode has been developed. Yes, so let's check it out. So first of all, we are gonna play. Come on, load up. Okay, Attack of the Undead. This is zombie versus human game. Yeah, is that even sound right? Okay. Basically, I'm human. I don't even know you can be a zombie. I think you can be. It's just luck based. This is a cool setting. Like you can just see the entire map in a second. Yeah. What is this weapon? I have never seen this weapon before. I don't even know what weapon is this. I act. I actually. Oh my god, my setting sucks. इतने बड़े बटन से यार मेरे में. I feel like मुझे ज़्यादा खेलना चाहिए था. This is bad. ओके सो जस्ट zombies के नाइफ से बस गन मतलब वो तुम्हें नाइफ करेंगे. दैट्स ऑल द एंड. सैड लाइफ. ओके आई कैन डू दिस. आई डोंट नो व्हाई बट आई स्टिल हैव द शील्ड थिंगी. आई डोंट नो व्हाई. जस्ट डोंट क्वेश्चन इट प्लीज. ये यार मुझे कोई zombie नहीं दिख रहा यार लिटरली. वो रहा. ओके फर्स्ट किल ऑफ द डे. Doing absolutely good, you know. Happy life, happy realization. Yeah, okay, we have to survive for 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Okay, if a zombie gets killed the time increases more, which is not epic gamer, you know. Why am I why, I'm actually not even crouching. What the hell? Run. What the hell? I'm serious, I was not crouching at all. Okay, I feel like यहाँ पे kill हुआ. I'm coming. Kill from. Okay, I guess he's gone then. Goodbye, sir. No, I'm coming to chase you off. What the hell? I feel like मैं मुझे अकेला नहीं होना चाहिए. I feel like यप मेरे पीछे एक red dot दिखा. Okay, enemy है मेरे पीछे. ठीक यार दो. Shit, I just got knifed, which means now I have to be zombie. Okay, now I have to knife people to turn them into zombie. That's all. So there are just currently 2 survivors left and 8 zombies. Or the other way around. I don't think so, you know. There's a human and I just got trapped. Tripped mind. It's not like I can knife the trip mine or anything. Sad life. Okay, so basically I actually don't know. No. I'm wrong. 8 zombies है. 2 ह्यूमन में चला. उनमें से एक ही है रहा और वो गोलियां मार जा रहे हैं हम पे बेचारा. और वो बेचारा उड़ गया. हाँ लॉल. ओके हाउ एम आई सपोज टू गेट हिम. दिस इज सैड. ओके I also have by the way a throwing axe. I don't even know if it deals damage, but I'm gonna use it for now. Seeing that if I can use it a long missed. Shit. It actually missed. What did I throw? Was it a cookie? Just munched down a cookie in a nom like that. Hey, I'm right next to, and I died. And I died it. Like literally he's dead. Lol. He just got knifed by the people of the living. Yes, that's right. Now, what was a yes? Look at it go, knife. Poor guy was distracted by me. Thank me later. Okay, please say that I'm MVP. Please, not MVP, but first, second, third. Me, कुछ में तो please, please, please. Lord, shit. I guess next game. Oof. I guess I'm gonna play. Yeah, I don't have any. Are you serious? I don't have any attachment for my AK. Yeah, I can't even use it then. Come on, start already. I want. Plus, I just want to be the only one left. Here's the thing. I just want to win as a survivor. That's all because I have been playing so many games and I just showing you few games, but I've been playing a few. Here's the tactic. Just guide it. Done. Literally done. Just stay up this house and then camp. I literally can't do it because I need 2 people. For now, I have 2 people, but they will be gone. I hate. Okay, I just have to camp here because they have to come. They can literally come from here or there. And the guy literally. Okay, I did. I don't care. I don't care. Hoof. You know, hoof. Please, I wanna be a survivor and win. Yes, thank you. Come on, get down. Okay. Now I'm using actual tactics, which is funny. Okay. You know what, guys? I'm gonna snipe some people. I literally can't find anyone on the literal street. You know what? I will see you guys later if something interesting happens, you know. God damn it. Nice try, kid. Nice try. Lol. Okay. Now, just waiting for another one to come by. Here you go. Die now. Easy life, you know. Okay. एक और आए यार, मैं उसे मार भी नहीं पाया literally. Okay, एक और mind. What the fuck? Okay, I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. I'm literally done. भाई, are you serious? मेरे पार्टनर है भाई, वो गाइड क्यों नहीं करो, भागा क्यों? वो लिटरली मार सकता था. मैं एक्चुअली में सीरियस हूँ, लिटरली मार सकता था बंदा. आई गेस अब 2 लोग बचे हो नहीं, अब उनका करियर खत्म कर दो. लुक एट दिस, literally zoom my kill, kid. Lol. Okay, now there's only 1 remaining. I'm coming for you, bro. Oh, there he is. Time to kill him. Literally kill him. End his literal career right now. Okay, he is. I see. ये अच्छी tactic है, to be honest. Like, how the hell am I getting hit? I'm literally hiding behind a vehicle. Okay. That is a really good strategy, by the way. But I think I can use long range weapon. Yeah, बहुत. Nope, I didn't reach it. I guess it is time to melee. But first of all, what is? I think a flare है. Yup, जिससे location बता दे. And I died. ये ha. I literally just died, lol. Like I just spawned a yeah, I was so close, you know, so close. Okay. Now what do I even do? This is confusing. I think I have to kill him in the long range right now. Let's hope these people destruct him. He moved. He literally moved. Literally moved. Are you serious? He literally moved. Yep, that's a flare. What the hell? Why did you throw your axe here, bro? Nice job, kid. Oh, come on. So close. Shit, I was so close. I was actually so close. Okay, time for a sneaky axe kill. What? It hit the literal pole. Or else, if I did not hit the pole, I would have been won. Shit. Are you actually serious? Oh my god. Tactical nuke. What the hell? Is this what the hell? What the? Did he just won? I wasn't even paying attention. What? How do you do that? What? Literally what? Like what is the kill cam? What the hell? Like nuclear bomb, what is that? I never seen that before. That's literally my first time of seeing it. Wasn't that 25 kills? He literally got 25 kills. What the hell? I don't even know, you know. I don't even know. You know what? Next game time. Okay, so now I'm doing a 1v1 because I can't be the only one because I'm always getting knifed. Okay. I'm just doing dual Golok. This is a new map, by the way. I'm just gonna use my main gun, my favorite gun, by the way, and destroy this guy's entire career right now. You know, right the freak now. Okay, let's start already. Okay. Yup, you got invincibility. Shit. Oh god. Oh hey, that is a really cool weapon. Yeah, I cast मेरे पास ही होता. Okay. I can do. Here you go. Lul. बंदे ने एक दो गोली मार पाया बेचारा. Okay. What the hell? Why the hell? Okay. Okay then. Why were you okay? I don't even know. I don't even know literally. Where are you? Okay. Yeah, I literally hate the fact. Okay, changing weapon. I'm with no attachment, by the way. I'm gonna kill this man with this literal gun right now. You know, right now. Okay. Come on. Wait. Nice try, kid. I saw it.
Cover me.
Okay. Currently, he's. Oh, hey, Bora. ये like भाई कौन है मैं कैंप कर रहा मैं बीच में करता अगर भाई वो खुद अटैक नहीं कर रहा मुझे ही अटैक करना पड़ रहा है लॉर्ड आई लाइक व्हाट द आई लिटरली जस्ट गॉट आई फील लाइक मैं उधर था इसलिए उसको दूसरी साइड में फोर्स स्पॉन कराए हेलो सर ओके मुझे एक और किल चाहिए फिर मैं ये राउंड जीत जाऊंगा ओके फोकस पार्ट ओके आई गॉट इट okay this is one and I have just to win one time. Please don't do any stupid weapon choosing, please. Oh my god, please. No shit. I'm really good with this weapon, by the way. Okay, I hope to. Yeah, I will win this for sure. Oh god, I'm so scared. Okay, I hope he isn't a pro or anything with using pistols. Yeah, I don't think ये बंदा इतना अच्छा नहीं खेलता लेकिन okay. Like oh my god what is this shit I literally got okay I my freaking aim sucks this weapon damn it sucks I'm actually serious is this gun nerfed or something like इसका damage reduce हो गया क्या I'm actually serious or I think I can't hit anyone I literally can't hit anyone I'm so mad right now. Please don't let this be. Oh my god, how did he? I can't even see it literally. Like, where are you, kiddo? Where? I don't have a choice. I have to change. The weapon sucks. Even though I used to love it, but you know, yeah. What the hell? Okay, nice. Then nice job. Okay. Now where is he I didn't reload. Nice job Parth nice job okay nice where the hell is this person I literally can't see him Are you serious yes ऐसे पिस्टल से अगर रैपिड फायर करेगा मुझे हिट होगा मैं एक्चुअली में मर सकूंगा लेकिन मैं करूंगा मैं नहीं I can't do this literally Are you serious मैंने देखा ही नहीं oh my god we are both so low वो भी I think रीजन करेगा बंदा रश करना चाहिए बंदे को मुझे यार I'm literally so bad come on oh my god thank god I hope please don't spawn here I will literally be so mad okay he's there okay what is your tactic bro what is your tactic I don't understand what is this person's mentality or something I don't even know I can't इसकी skin भाई इस बंदे की skin literally background से blend होती है यार उस जगह में I literally hate that okay like उससे सिर्फ एक और पॉइंट से मैं हार जाऊंगा this is not epic this is actually not epic right now I just want to have my epic comeback that's all literally can't see this person come here you piece of shit die now अब वो लाइट वाली ब्राइट एरिया पे आ गया अब वो मुझे दिख गया बंदा and I missed all my shots nice अब बंदा भाग गया I'm so happy you know hi banda I literally oh my god you see it no okay now I have decided to choose you know this one I literally want a 1v1 a literal 1v1 knife only right now right the freak now which weapon okay I feel like yeah okay I literally choose it because this guy is actually not good I'm bad and my equipment is bad okay what else I would have won okay अब इसे मुझे मारने आना पड़ेगा कि इसका स्नाइप है ये कुछ कर ही नहीं सकता ना मैं कुछ कर सकता हूँ ये रहा literally done get out of my game okay I can do that I have to remember that okay Okay, yo, bro. How's life? Hello. Shit, I just died. He just literally plowed my head into X. Nice, nice English. Nice English. Okay, okay, I have to focus. He also threw. I like. Okay, okay.
Oh my god.
Oh. He will be. I know for a fact that he is mad for sure. I don't even know how I'm doing this. Okay. I'm done. This बंदे के traps. इस बंदे के literal traps sucks. Okay. Okay, okay, okay. Where is this guy? I actually. Is he still camping? Okay, ये रहा. Yee! Shit! He's actually gonna win. He's actually gonna win. I actually can't believe it. Oh god, please! Oh god, please run, 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 run. He मेरे पीछे ही होगा. कहाँ ये ले. That's how it works. Lol, I just sniped him with my bomb, with my tripwire. Lol. Okay. Now what should I do? Okay, I guess I'm just gonna go. Literally do that, and then just gonna. Wait a sec. Oh, hey there, bro. Hi. Friend, I don't. Are you kidding me? Look, वो hurt नहीं कर पाएगा. Shit. Okay, I'm coming to. Oh my god! Are you okay? Are you so sorry? I actually threw. Oh my god. Oh my god. At least I didn't. I literally didn't destroy it. At least I'm happy now. I actually threw it. I'm so mad, you know. I almost literally lose. I lose the game and on my phone. Good job, Parth. Okay. Okay then, I guess this is it. Yup, I just got this. So this guy should not have won. This was literally a noob. I'm actually serious. I'm so mad. I am so mad. You know what? Trash talking got me. This is why you should never trash talk. Okay. So guys, thanks for watching. You know what? Nice 11 kills. And I'll see you guys in the next episode. Goodbye. Yeet.